In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix mentions not working in Outlook. First, make sure you're signed in to Outlook with your Microsoft 365 account and that you're using a version of Outlook that supports @mentions. If you're using the classic Outlook desktop app, click File, then Options and select Mail. Under the Send Messages section, make sure the option for Use @mentions to mention people in messages is enabled, then click OK. Next, restart Outlook so the changes take effect. If mentions still aren't working, go to File, Office Account and click Update Options. Then choose Update Now to install the latest Outlook updates. Finally, create a new email, type @ followed by the recipient's name and select the suggested contact. If the mention is highlighted, the feature is working correctly. That's how to fix mentions not working in Outlook. Thanks for watching.